Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate user input for character arrays using Fgets. I'm going to talk about a little bit of the shortcomings of this method. All right, so let's first create a character array. Let's call it name, and let's make it up to 20 characters, and that includes the last character, which is the null character. And then I want to printf who is the coolest character on Supernatural. And I'll put a space and end my quote and close the parentheses and put a semicolon. Then I'm going to use Fgets and I'm going to put the name. Then the length I want them to be able to enter, which is going to be one less because of the null character at the end, and then standard input, and then put a semicolon to close out that line. Then I will printf and I will say that is correct. And then a %s to pass in the character array is the coolest character on Supernatural. And then I'll put an exclamation point and a /n there, close the quotes and put name, and then finish that line with a semicolon. And then at the end of my main function, I'll return 0. And I'm going to save the function now, and let's open up the terminal and compile and then run this. Okay, so I'm going to type gcc and then user input character array.c, and we're going to output the user input character array without the .c. Hit enter, and now I'll run it. Okay, who is the coolest character on Supernatural? Dean. That is correct. Dean is the coolest character on Supernatural. Now notice what happens here. Because I put in Dean and then hit enter, it adds a /n here. It adds a new line character because of the return. So it brings the next line down. So it's a bit of a shortcoming. The other shortcoming with this program is if I entered Sam, for instance, it would still work. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you again, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.